Hey, how's it going, guys? So today I did two trades. I started the day by trading TAP. So for TAP, how I traded this one was I just went long once it broke this level, broke the SMA. Looks like on 5 minute is it held this level. It started to trend back up, and I think it hit. So 15 minute new 15 minute high. This is kind of an engulfing for this, so it's very good confirmation, everything. So I went long. I set my target above this level. I did think about getting out some here, but this is a nice whole number, so I decided to go for 55. And also the reason for that is it was holding this level pretty well, and the stock was down quite a lot. Given the fact that it was down quite a lot because let me see here, because of a gap down, it went from 59 yesterday all the way down to 55. It didn't really drop that much, so I think it had more room to go. As you can see here, it actually closed all the way up at 55.38. So I had 55 as sort of my target. Went long, and then I basically exited at 55. It was a perfect trade. Kind of small size, only 500 shares. So I did that, and then near the end of the day, I went out to lunch, came back, and then I saw HUBS. I didn't really like the trade HUBS because the spread was really high. The stock is super expensive. Did take a small size, I think 200 shares here. I did expect it to go back up a bit, probably at this level, and that's why on the way back down, I added to my position, and another 200 shares. It dropped. I covered a portion here. It did go back up again, and then I added to it again, and then on the way down, I just covered on the way down. So that's my play on HUBS. I guess in retrospect, because I never knew what was going to happen, so that's why I took a half size here, because it may do this. I would have stopped out if it continued to go up above this SMA level, which it didn't do. And then added to full size position of strength, took out some, added back for full size, go back, and that's what I did. So if it ever broke this level, I would have been out of the trade. Same with this. That's why I always like to start with a small size, because there is another, after this consolidation, the other factor was it could have just dropped all the way down to VWAP here. So that's why I did a half size. That way if it does drop, I still capture gains. If it goes back up and then it comes back down, I can add to full size. If it goes back up, doesn't do anything, I lose, but only on a half size position. So not that big of a deal. And this stock was the reason why I'm pretty confident in adding to this, thinking it will go back down, is this stock is up like pretty big, like dollar wise and then also percentage wise the whole day. So now that it broke all these levels, it was down. It was pretty much trying to reverse. It didn't really quite make it because it never hit VWAP, but yeah. So that was my trade. So feel free to like and subscribe to my channel if you get any value from the mistakes that I made or the positive stuff that I do on my trades. Anyway, all right, that's it.